Hey there, wisdom seekers. Today, we're diving into the world of Stoicism to explore 15 powerful actions that will not only improve your life, but also drive your haters absolutely crazy. Let's get started. Embrace adversity. Imagine facing a challenge head-on with a smile. Your critics expect you to crumble, but you stand tall. That's the power of Stoicism. Practice gratitude. While others complain, you appreciate every single day. It's like kryptonite to negativity. Maintain emotional control. Picture this. Someone insults you, and you respond with calm rationality. Their frustration? Priceless. Focus on what you can control. Let go of what you can't change. And watch as your detractors obsess over the uncontrollable. Live with integrity. Align your actions with your values. It's a simple concept that confounds those looking for hypocrisy. Cultivate inner peace. Find tranquility within, and external chaos loses its power over you. Your critics won't know what to do. Practice self-discipline. While others give in to temptation, you stay the course. It's admirable and incredibly annoying to your detractors. Embrace simplicity. Declutter your life and mind. Watch as materialistic critics struggle to understand your contentment. Seek wisdom continuously. Never stop learning. Your growth will be a constant reminder of others' stagnation. Show compassion, even to enemies. Respond to hatred with kindness. It's the last thing your adversaries expect. Take responsibility for your actions. No excuses, no blame games. Own your mistakes and learn from them. It's a rare quality that frustrates fault finders. Practice mindfulness. Stay present in the moment. While others dwell on the past or worry about the future, you'll find peace in the now. Cultivate resilience. Bounce back from setbacks stronger than ever. Your ability to persevere will baffle those waiting for you to give up. Speak less, listen more. Choose your words wisely and listen intently. It's a powerful combination that leaves critics speechless. Lead by example. Actions speak louder than words. Live your philosophy and watch as your life becomes a testament to Stoic principles. The goal isn't to antagonize others, but to live a life of virtue and wisdom. As you practice these Stoic principles, you'll find that the opinions of your critics matter less and less. If you found value in this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more ancient wisdom applied to modern life. Share your thoughts in the comments below. How has Stoicism impacted your life? Until next time, stay wise, stay strong, and keep embracing that Stoic mindset.